Guys, OwenTube here, and I'm here with MaxTube because I'm going to be here with MaxTube all week. MaxTube, get up so they can see you.
Hello.
We're not doing a gaming video right now, but we're going to do gaming videos all week. This is just like a little challenge we're going to do. This is our first challenge of our video. We're doing the handcuff challenge with 2 handcuffs. While I sleep on my bed, we're going to, the handcuff challenge is, we have to, try to tangle you up in, handcuffs. You have to, be strangled, and you have to get out of the handcuffs in under 1 minute. So I'm going to use the iPad as the timer, and we're going to get started. Max is all tangled up in the handcuffs. So he's going first. So look at him. They're diagonal from each other. So he has exactly 1 minute to get out. Max, don't start yet. I need to start the timer on Mr. iPad. Okay, 0 hours, 1 minute. He has exactly 1 minute. Start. Go, Max. Start. Start it. It started. Okay, try to get out. This is really hard, by the way. If you want these handcuffs, they're at Walmart. There's a button you could push. It's a secret button you could push to get out. Max just got out. But it's really hard to push the button. It, twists your wrist and stuff. Max is trying to get it out. We have 26. Okay, 23. Now 21. We have 20 seconds left. Okay, Max, this is the hard part on your legs. He got it on one of his arms, but his legs. That's the hard part. There's a button you have to push. Max to kind of twist you. The winner gets to, we never said what the winner gets to do. The winner, gets to throw, the winner gets to eat a tree, and the loser has to eat really bad hot sauce. So, anyways, we have a couple more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Max, wait, you made it to the last second. You made it to the last second, Max. Holy cow. You might be the winner. So we have a treat and a really bad treat. It could make you throw up. The bad treat. And then there's a good treat for the winner.
The bad treat is
Bean
Boozled!
No, it's not. We don't even have Bean Boozled. We ate them all. Well, Max did. I threw them all up. So, it's going to be my turn now. So, I'm handcuffed now. I'm a little different. Max was like this, and I'm like this. Okay, Max, go start the timer on the iPad so you could just record the phone with it on it. So, I hope I don't lose. This is hard. Cool. This is hard. I want to do the handcuff challenge with, Chaseman 101 or Ninjago Nate 8 or something. Okay. Max, you ready?
No, push start.
Okay, so do it for 0 hours, 1 minute. Okay, hit start. Hit start now. Right there. Start. Okay. Okay, come on. The button is hard. Okay, I got one handcuff off. I want to get, no, ow, it's ow.
Yeah, 44.
How did you survive this? I can't even push the button without it twisting. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Okay, I have the legs to do now. Wait, how do you do the legs? I can't push the button, it's way far. I could push the button right here. Oh no, I have 18 more seconds. Wait, where's the button?
You have 14.
No, where's the button? I can't find the button. Wait, is there a button on this? Oh, I could see it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
No. Oh, dang. Well, you win that one. timer done. Ah. So, Max is winning so far. We're going to each do this 3 times. So, Max, it's going to be your turn again. So, I got it all off except for my foot. So, let's... Max's turn. This is Max's turn. This is going to be extra hard because, like, he has to do his feet first, but he's handcuffed at his hands. So, it's going to be pretty hard for him to do this. So... I'm going to start the timer for 1 minute, as usual. And then we're also, at our last 2 turns, we're going to do it for 10 seconds. And I don't know if anyone's going to be able to get it for that long, but anyways. Go, Max. We're at a couple of seconds. Oh, no, this is hard. Like, Max has to get his feet without using that. No, I literally don't think he's ever done this before. Have you ever done it before? Okay, he's gotten 1. He's gotten 1. I don't even think I could do this. Max has 1 point and I have 0 points, so Max is winning.
I'm out.
Okay, he's going to try to get that one. Oh, Max, you only have 19 seconds left. Only 12, 10 more seconds left. Try to get him out. Try to get him out. Try to get him out. Okay, you have 1 more. Oh, the timer's up. Oh, so we're tied right now. Oh, no, we're not tied. Max still has 1 point. But he didn't get a point that round, so it's a point to 0 points. So it's my turn now. Hey guys, I'm here now. I'm diagonal again. So Max is going to do it now. So Max, go set the timer. I'm not trying to get out now. Okay, did it start?
No. Ready, set, stop.
Okay. Okay. No, diagonal is hard, actually. It's a lot harder than the one that I did. Wait, where's the button? It's so hard to find the button. The legs are the hardest, so I'm doing them first. Okay, I got 1 out. This is not easy. Why? No, why isn't this working? I'll do my foot since I wanted to do that first. Let's see. Oh, this hurts.
You have exactly 9, 8, 7.
Oh, I got that one.
6, 5.
No.
Oh, 1. You're 0.
I did it. Whoa, I did it. Whoa. No, I did it. I got, look, I'm all done, so we're tied now. I can't believe I got out of that. Like, I wasn't going to get out of that. I knew it. And then I was tied up when he's like, okay, 10 seconds left. I can't believe I could do that. That twisted my hand so bad. It hurt really bad, too. Well, it's going to be Max's turn, and he only has, we're 10 seconds. No, 30 seconds. Let's just move it to 30 because it's impossible to do it in 10. So, I'm going to put a Band-Aid on this because it kind of got twisted when I was trying to get out, but it's Max's turn now. Max's turn. So he's like, Max, show them how you are. He's like that. Okay, you have 30 seconds. So we can't set a timer for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to count in my head. Okay, ready, set, go.
This is hard. Maybe I just looked this out. 30 more seconds.
20 more seconds. Okay, he has 1. I can't. Sorry, guys, I can't talk and count. I just lost count. Okay, 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, Okay, Max, how did you do that? Well, Max has 2 points and I have 1, so he's winning so far. Well, it's our last turn. My turn. Okay, Max, start it. Yeah, but start it as soon as you can. Like, not right now, but start it. Whoopsie, I just knocked the charger out of the wall. Okay, I'm handcuffed now. Okay, I'm going to start the timer now. Start. Okay. I have 30 seconds. I think I learned the trick. So you have to push the button, but you have to do it like this way so it doesn't twist your hand. But the feet are hard to do because it's hard to wear socks and do it because you can't really see the button. Okay, this one is the hardest one. So, I did it. Yay. I don't know how. This handcuff. Wait.
Time's off.
Wait, really? Oh, shoot. Max wins. Max wins. Anyways. Max wins, so I will see you guys next time. Wait, we forgot to do it. So I'm going to eat this kind of, I know I said hot sauce, but I meant this really bad food, and then Max is going to eat candy. So this is going to be our last video of this video. So I'm going to start eating the bad thing, and Max is going to eat the good thing now. Okay, so Max, come here. We're ready. I got this. It's kind of a hot sauce candy. It's filled with sweet relish and hot sauce. It's really bad. Like, it's made with potion, and I hope I don't throw up. And Max gets to eat a sweet banana. So it's better than most bananas because it has, like, sweet stuff in it. Okay, here's the hot sauce. Ew! Oh, I need to get a drink. Oh, that was so yummy. That was so disgusting, ew. Oh, I can't even get that taste out of my mouth. Ugh. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you come over to my house, if you try that thing, you'll puke.
What was it?
Oh, that was gross. So, bye.